Josh says, hey, Bradley, what's your opinion? Hold on, let me move this down. What's your opinion on using AI generated content such as ChatGPT on a lead gen website? Yeah, use it. Do you think Google can already figure out what its content is AI generated? I don't care if they can or not. The whole point, and I'm not picking on you, Josh. The whole point about is the content useful? Does it answer a question? Does it serve a purpose? That's all that matters. It doesn't matter whether it was written by a human or a bot. If it serves a purpose and answers a question, it solves somebody's query. Then it doesn't matter. I use AI generated content for a ton of stuff. For money site content, we typically, by the way, if you use something like ZimWriter, like like I use on-page AI to as on-page.ai, which is Eric Lancheris's tool. I use that for tuning content. And really, I use it a lot for the backlink component, which connects with Google's natural language API. So it will show me topical categories of the content that I'm developing, as what Google determines are the topical categories of content that I'm developing, as well as sources for links and things like that. So I use it for a lot of things. But one of the things that it has in it is an AI detection function. So you can take content that you are developing with an AI tool and post it into the content editor of on-page AI, and then hit the button, and it'll tell you what percentage of it is real or human and what percentage of it is AI generated. I'm telling you this because you can check various kind of outputs, and sometimes it'll show 100%, AI generated content. But something like ZimWriter, which is fabulous, guys, it's amazing. It comes out 100% real or 99% real. Sometimes I've seen it go down to 86% real or something like that. So anyway, point that I'm trying to make is you can AI generated content. There's a number of things that you can do to make it not appear as AI generated. One thing that I've, talked about and shown before is you can take AI generated content, run it through an AI detector, and it says 100% AI, and then run it through Quillbot, which is a rephrasing app, and then paste it back in, and it'll come back as real when you didn't do anything, but just rephrase it with another AI tool. You know what I mean? So I don't care about using AI generated content. I think it's fine as long as it's useful and it serves a purpose, right? If you're just spamming the web with it, then you know what? You can still get results with it. I don't care what Google says. You know what I mean? It's what actions speak louder than words. And if you're seeing other websites or pages that are ranked with AI generated content, then you can do it too. That makes sense. So I don't mind using it at all. We do a ton of AI stuff, and we all should be, because it's, content's labor intensive and expensive if you do it manually.